A former Nazi SS guard, now old and frail, needed help entering a German courtroom on Tuesday as trial opened for 93-year-old Oskar Groening, the man prosecutors call the Bookkeeper of Auschwitz. Groening says his main job at the camp was to collect and sort the money and belongings taken from prisoners, but he claims he never killed anyone. He's charged as an accessory to murder in the deaths of some 300,000 Jews at the World War II death camp. Dozens of Auschwitz survivors were in court on Tuesday as joint plaintiffs or witnesses in the case. Even 70 years later, many of them say they still carry the horrors of the camp with them.
All the things that have been done to us in Auschwitz-Birkenau were a sin, and it remains a sin. It is a sin today, and it will be a sin for all eternity.
One woman came all the way from New York for the trial. She says to make sure justice was done.
Those who commit crimes today must know they will be held responsible in the future, and never again will they be able to just plead, I'm a cog in the machinery, I didn't kill.
In court, Groening, who was in his 20s then, admitted he knew about the gas chambers, telling the judges, there's no question that I share moral guilt, but asked for forgiveness. Groening says he does not believe his role as a guard was a crime. He faces up to 15 years in jail if convicted.
Personally, I don't feel vengeance. I don't want to see him go to jail. It's too late for it. He's too old. And I do believe that the important part is for the law to be established and for the change to be made for the future generations.
Outside the courthouse, a group of young people held up banners reading solidarity with the victims of the Nazi terror and justice for the survivors of Auschwitz. While it's taken decades to finally bring Groening's case to court, this could be one of the last big Holocaust trials with very few suspected Nazi criminals left alive.
Well, there's been legal disagreement in Germany over whether people who did not actively participate in killing are guilty of a crime. But in 2011, a former guard was convicted of being an accessory to mass murder, though there was no evidence he committed a specific crime.